Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to get back with Matplotlib. So let's just jump into it. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, because we have videos coming out all the time. So alright, import pyplot as PLT. So as last video, I showed you that figure could actually create a whole bunch of stuff. Well, guess what? There's even more, and Matplotlib can be overwhelming. And I'm going to show you that's what we do here. I've gone through it. I've suffered the pain. I'm going to show you the best practices. So, all right, we're going to really plot everything with subplots, because at some point you may want to add more figures, more plotting, graphs, whatever term you want. And instead of having to go and rebuild everything, we're going to start. I'm a big fan of getting the foundation right and going from there. And I'll show you a byproduct of why we do that as well. So, all right. And so we do figure, because I want to show you to differentiate figure. And this is kind of standard axis, and it's PLT subplots S, then fig size, and takes a tuple. So what I do, 4x5. Close. There we go. Then PLT dot scatter, just like our other ones, and then PLT dot show. But this is what I want to really bring to your attention. So that's figure 1 back here. Let's close that. Here's figure 2. So all right, fig and figure will have the same size items, but the reason why this is so important is because if you were to live and you'd say, why aren't we just using the plot module? So if we do len dir PLT, close that out, 250. Now let me show you to prove to you that everything we're going to need, so you're not going to have to hunt and peck, everything is created. We're gonna start doing some arrows, some annotations, all the really cool stuff that really tells things about a graph. And this is the practice that you want, because everything is right here. Everything is either an attribute or a method tied to subplots, and you're not digging around, bouncing around, doing all kinds of other stuff. Everything's right here. So that's why I recommend this. So as always, thank you for watching. Please leave any comments, questions, any video requests below. I absolutely love the video requests. You guys have been doing a great job with that. If you haven't hit the like button, go ahead and hit the like button for me. And just let's stay tuned. See you next time. Bye, guys.